You spend months mapping out a flawless AI strategy. You have clear horizons for the next 3, 6, and 12 months. The board approves it, the budget is cleared, and then the entire execution stalls. The roadmap is perfect on paper, but the actual people in the room are frozen in their tracks. On the engineering side, your veteran developers are hitting a wall of replacement anxiety. They've spent decades building deep, specialized expertise, and now they're terrified that their entire career value is about to be reduced to typing a simple text prompt. Meanwhile, your functional leaders, the heads of HR, finance, and marketing, are retreating to their silos. They are treating this rollout as the IT department's problem, passively waiting for the tech team to hand them a finished, polished tool instead of figuring out how to upgrade their own departments. This paralysis points to a specific issue. The bottleneck here isn't a lack of processing power or a flaw in the software. You are running into a severely outdated human operating system. To get past this execution wall, we have to look at the conceptual root of the friction. The primary barrier to making AI work in a company is the outdated mental model we use to interact with computers. Right now, management tends to approach AI with a passive user mentality. They treat these massive, capable models like a slightly better search engine or a machine that just spits out automated email templates. We have to move away from this linear model on the left, where a human just passively receives a single output from a machine. Instead, we move towards orchestration. In this dynamic hub-and-spoke model, the requirement is mastery of intent. As a leader, you sit at the center, providing precise architectural direction, guiding the surrounding machines toward a highly specific, valuable business outcome. Until your team makes the leap from passive users to active orchestrators, all the money you invested in AI tools is going to sit idle. This is a chart tracking enterprise AI implementations, and it shows a stark reality. AI generates thousands of lines of code in seconds, but a veteran human expert must validate that output for accuracy and security before it goes live. Finally, resilience and negotiation. Business environments are volatile. Leaders need the flexibility to adapt and renegotiate system requirements at unprecedented speeds. By adopting this mandate, the entire company board integrates AI into their daily operations, moving the technology out of isolated IT silos. When non-technical managers take radical ownership, they step into the driver's seat of their own department's digital evolution. Take human resources. An HR director stops relying on basic automated resume filters. Instead, they actively orchestrate a dynamic new architecture for finding and developing talent across the organization. In finance, the department moves way beyond generating standard monthly reports. The CFO guides the AI to simulate high-stakes risk scenarios in real time, mapping out the financial impact of different decisions before they are made. And in marketing, the leadership stops acting as a rubber stamp for machine-generated copy. They become the master architects of the brand's voice, ensuring every output aligns perfectly with the company's identity. In every one of these cases, the functional leaders are no longer sitting back and waiting for the technology to dictate how they work. They are in control of the machine. To make all of this happen, someone has to take the first step. You need a resilient leader, a champion, who can step out of the traditional hierarchy and guide a cross-functional Agile team into this new way of working. These champions lead Agile squads that execute specific, high-velocity projects directly from the roadmap. By proving the technology's value in these small, focused sprints, they demonstrate an industrial return on investment within a 3 to 6 month window. As those early wins pile up, something highly practical happens to the rest of the staff. That initial wave of replacement anxiety starts to dissolve. The fear of being replaced gives way to a culture of genuine co-creation between your people and the machine. Upgrading your human operating system builds a foundation based on intent rather than mechanics. And when your organization operates with that kind of agility, you become tool agnostic, ready to harness whatever the future of AI demands next.